Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the home ribbon and specifically the paragraph area. So let's crack on with it. We'll first I'll show you how to use the bullet points. Let me just write some random stuff down. So let's say you want to bullet point all this. You're not gonna put a dot or dash against each one, are you? You just select it all and you click bullet points, and there are many types of bullet points that you can use over here. So if you don't want any, this one's different styles and all that. So let's put it back to none. This one is numbering, so you just select if you want it as numbering. Then you want to go to it. Well, there's different styles of the numbering, of course. ABC, lowercase ABC, I. But this is just Roman numerals ones, and there's even none. So apply a none one. So we shall now go on to checking out the nested statements, which are located over here. And all you do is just click on it and just select whichever style you want. So I want this style, and then you want a further nested statement of specifically 2 of them. Select them and you click on whichever one you like, I guess. And they have specific headings, and this one like smaller and smaller. So yeah, and the last bits, actually there's quite a few more, and this is for if I'm sure it's indentation. Yep. So if you want to increase indent, you just click on this one, so it's going to keep on moving it by that much. And this is moving indentation by a certain amount. Now we shall check out this ascending thing. All it does is just putting an ascending order. So, well, you don't really need to know this, but you can first you select whichever one you want to sort it by. Then you select the type, which is text, number, date, and there's many other options after you change the option here. But however, I won't be talking about that in this. If you want to check out the paragraph signs, then you just click on this. And if you want to, let's say, delete a certain paragraph, then you just click delete over here, and it stops the new paragraph. When you press enter, it creates the new paragraph. And this shows us that it's a new paragraph. Get rid of that. And this allows us to change the paragraph alignment. Allows us to, so this is left aligned, center aligned, this is right aligned, and this is justified. So if you click on this one, it's gonna put it in the middle. This one's gonna put it on the right hand side. This one's gonna justify. It means it's gonna look very smooth. So let me just show you how it would look if I put in different ones. Let me just write something down, something random, I guess. Should be enough now. Okay, and you just select it. That's left aligned. This is center aligned. This is right aligned, so the writing would show off from this side. So justify tries to make sure that it all stays in a pack like this, and it's probably one of the best ones to use. Anyway, back to the main bits now. This is to change the paragraph spacing options. So select this, and if you want to change distance between the paragraphs, you just select it, click on this, and it's going to change the spacing. And you can do line spacing options, which allows you to change a lot of things, and this tab can be accessed from here by selecting this, and you can access it. If they ask you to do a certain indentation, let's say they do indent this paragraph or the whole thing by 5 centimeters to the right, so you put in 5 here. You don't put anything for special unless they specify that you need to put it for first line, and then you press OK. So it indents the first line, as you can see. To reselect all this, go back to the ribbon and undo these changes. None. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on to doing spacing. If they tell you to apply 20-point spacing, then you'd want to, yeah. So unless they specify anything else, again, you usually just keep it at multiple or whatever it says, and you just press OK. And as you can see, there's a big gap between than it was before. Change it back to 8 so we can see the difference. And if they tell you to set a tab of a certain number, you click on this button again, go into tabs, and you type over here whatever they say in the tab. So they say 6.8 6.9 centimeters, 6.9. then you just wanna just leave this as it is unless they specify again, and you have to press set, and you press OK. You might not see a difference, but they do. It does change because it's just that this one is not proper. So and that really covers most of it. And now to get on to this one, which literally just changes the background color and it creates a box basically. So I don't know, let's have it orange. This one allows us to add borders. So if you want to add a border all around it, you just click on this. If you want to add a border around it, you click box, and then you say, and they might say a certain point border. So let's say it says 6 points, so you do okay. As you can see, there's a 6-point border outside of this, and that's really it, and that covers all of it. And thank you for watching.